Hello students, now in this video we are going to learn combustion and the different types of combustion. Okay, so let us start with the combustion first. Student, what is combustion? Combustion, it is a chemical process. Why it is called a chemical process? Because in this it's a permanent change. We cannot revert back the reactants in this. That is why it's a chemical process. So, combustion is also a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give out heat is called combustion. Sometimes it gives out light also. Okay. So, examples is like burning of magnesium ribbon, like burning of paper, burning of wood. These are all the example of combustion. Like in combustion, what happens? Fuel or the combustible substance. Fuel or a combustible substance burns. For burning it requires some heat also, or some optimum temperature also, or you can say ignition temperature also. And in the presence of oxygen, that fuel starts burning. And what it gives? It gives exhaust. Exhaust is the smoke. Okay, exhaust is smoke. And it also gives you heat, and sometimes it gives you fire or light. So these are the product of combustion. What are the products? Heat, light and the smoke, and the other product which you cannot see, that is carbon dioxide and water vapor. Alright, so here are some product of combustion. It is shown to you what happens when something burns in presence of oxygen. Let us see this now. See, like H2 burns in presence of oxygen to give water. Okay. Combustion reaction is also called oxidation reaction because in this oxygen is adding up. See that carbon, this is not hydrogen, sorry, this is carbon. Carbon plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. When methane burns with oxygen, then it gives carbon dioxide and water vapor. In the same way, when other hydrocarbons burns in oxygen, they all give carbon dioxide and water vapor. So the product of combustion or the burning, you can say the product of carbon dioxide and water vapor. Addition to this, it is light, heat. This triangular sign is the sign of heat, light and heat. Okay. Let us see the next slide. In this we will study the types of combustion. Combustion can be, students, of three types which you will study in this chapter. That is the rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and the explosion. What happens in the rapid combustion? In this the combustion starts very fast. As soon as you put a lighter to the fuel, then it burns into flame. So that is a rapid combustion, like the burning of the LPG gas at home. That is a rapid combustion. Matchstick near stove. As soon as you put matchstick near gas stove, then it starts burning. That is also the example of rapid combustion. Now, spontaneous combustion is that in which combustion takes place on its own, in which no heat is required. Nothing, no optimum temperature, nothing, no ignition temperature. Okay, that is the spontaneous combustion. Like coal dust in coal mines, it automatically starts burning. That is the example of spontaneous. Like forest fire, it also happened by its own. So that is why it is called spontaneous combustion. Okay. Now the third type is the explosion. Explosion is in which the combustion causes large amount of heat, light and sound. So in this combustion, when burning takes place, then you get heat, light as well as sound also. Like during Diwali, you burn the firecrackers. What happened? You hear some sound also. So that is the example of explosion combustion. Okay. Let us see them again. Let us make more clear. So there are three types of combustion, students: rapid, spontaneous, and explosion. It's combustion in which substance burns rapidly and produce heat and light with the help of external heat. Okay, that is called burning of LPG, um, burning of matchstick near gas stove is the example of rapid combustion. And spontaneous combustion is combustion in which a substance burns spontaneously and produces heat and light with the help of external heat. Okay. Spontaneously or automatically, in which we do not supply any heat into that. That is spontaneous combustion. Like phosphorus burns spontaneously at room temperature. Burning of phosphorus, burning of coal dust in the coal mines, and forest fire. These are the example of spontaneous. Explosion is a combustion in which a substance burns suddenly and produces heat, light, and sound with the help of heat or pressure. So explosion of crackers on applying heat or pressure is an example of another type of explosion combustion. Okay. So here is the difference between these two, rapid and spontaneous, which is asked normally in your syllabus. So let us see the first point of rapid combustion. It is to be initiated once. इसको हमें एक बार स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है. जैसे कि आप गैस स्टोव में जैसे ऑन करते हो, यू पुट अ लाइटर ऑन टू दैट, आपको लाइटर दिखाना पड़ता है, देन ओनली गैस स्टार्ट्स बर्निंग. सो इट टेक्स प्लेस बाय इटसेल्फ, स्पॉन्टेनियस अपने आप हो जाता है. एक्सटर्नल हीट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्ट इट वंस. नो एक्सटर्नल हीट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टार्ट. Large amount of heat and light is evolved in short time. Small amount of heat and light is evolved. Burning of domestic cooking gas in gas burner. Burning of white phosphorus on its own when kept out sometimes. So in this we have studied three types of combustion, and I'll tell you two more types of combustion. The fourth type of combustion is the incomplete combustion, which is asked also in the question, incomplete combustion, in which oxygen supplied is insufficient. When the fuel doesn't get proper oxygen for burning, then the product form is carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is a product of incomplete combustion. Okay, when fuel doesn't get proper oxygen, then it forms carbon monoxide. Then this is the example of incomplete combustion. Let us see the another example, next type of combustion, and that is the slow combustion. Okay, slow combustion. What happens in this type of combustion? Like oxidation takes place, but you cannot see it. You cannot observe heat, you cannot observe light, you cannot observe the main products of combustion basically. So slow combustion, like example, you can say that rusting of iron is an example of slow combustion. Rusting of iron, okay, in which you cannot see iron into flames, right? You see only the reddish brown powder which deposit on the surface of the iron. That is the example of slow combustion. And rusting is a gradual and slow process. Okay, when iron comes in contact with moist air, then it gets rust. So it is an example of slow combustion. So today we have studied 5 types of combustion: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, explosion combustion, incomplete combustion, and slow combustion. So thank you for now, and please keep watching the videos. for better learning.